children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Children, in the last class we learned exercise 4.1, isn't it? With a single divisor. We were dividing the sums with a single divisor, and I have omitted the exercise 4.2. Later on we will see that one, and now I am going to teach you exercise 4.3. Okay children, don't get confused. Okay, after 4.1 I am teaching 4.3. Don't think, oh, 4.2 Mrs. sent, I didn't write like that. No need to be confused. I have omitted that chapter. Later on when we have time we will look into it. Okay children, now exercise 4.3. Okay, divide to find the quotient and the remainder. Find the quotient and the remainder. Quotient and the remainder. The same thing as we learned in the last class only. Understood children? That is with single digit, now 2 digit. And the remainder, if any. Okay, it's in for page number. It's in page number 64. It's in page number 64. It's page number 64. The same thing only. Okay children, first sum we'll see 92 divided by 14. See, 92 divided by 14. So 92 divided by 14 means, see, this is the dividend and 14 is the divisor. Don't forget, this is dividend and this is divisor and this is divisor. Understood? Which the dividend should be inside and the divisor should be outside. Okay, see children, when we had 4 means we will write the 4 digit, 4 tables. Now it's 2 digit. So how can we divide children? It's too hard. But the easy way is how we have to see 14. All of you know 14 ones are 14. 14 ones are 14, isn't it? So you can write from 2. 14 twos are, see, 2 fours are 8. 2 1 is 2. So if you find like this, it will be very easy for you. You have to write till 92 or below. You can find out. See, I will teach you. You can find out. 2 4s are 8. 2 1 is 2. See here 3. Okay, sorry. 3 4 3s are 12. 3 4s are 12. And 3 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 4. 42. So likewise we have to find out. But it's little bit hard only. But no other go. We have to do like that. So otherwise you have to memorize all the tables. 14 table, 15, 16. We have to. So 4 4s are 16. 4 1 is 4. 5, 56. So this also will not go. So again what you have to do? 14 5s are. 14 6 are. Like this if you find out means it will be easy for you. For that only I am teaching like this. Understood? So 5 4s are 20. 5 1 is 5. 5 plus 2 7. 6 4s are 24. 6 1 is 6. 6 plus 2 8. See, likewise we have to multiply till 92 comes. Okay. If 92 is not coming means we can take the smaller below before number. 9 4s are 7 4s are 28. 7 1 is 7. 7 plus 2 98. See what can you see children? This one here 14 2s are 28. 14 3s are 42. 14 4s are 56. 14 5s are 70. 14 6 are 84 and 14 7s are 98. But what number is, what dividend is given? 92 is there. So can we write this number children? No. So what's the before number? 14 6 are 84. 14 6 are 84. So what you have to write here? 6. What you have to write here? 6. And you have to write 84. So 84. So if you minus, what will come? Can you subtract from here 4 to 2? Can you count? No. So you have to borrow. So this 12 will become 2 will become 12 and 9 will become 8. So after 4, if you count up to 12, what will come after 4? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what's the answer, children? 8. 8 is the answer. And 8 minus 8, 0. So this is what? Quotient. And this is remainder. And this is remainder. So what's the answer? What we have to write? Answer is what? Quotient short form Q. Quotient is 6 and remainder is 8. Understood, children? Otherwise 0, 8 if you put, otherwise you can write only 8. Understood? So the first thing is this is dividend, this is divisor, and this is quotient, and this is remainder. Understood, children? Okay, we'll do the next sum. Okay, children, we'll do the second sum. 89 divided by 42. So what's the dividend, children? This is dividend and this is divisor. You should not forget. You should not put this inside and you should not put this one outside. You can't divide. Understood, children? You have to be careful. The first, this is dividend. This is dividend. 89 is dividend and 42 is divisor. The smallest number should be outside. Okay? So here, can you multiply 42 ones are 42, 40? You can tell children no. So the easy method is what? 42 ones are 42, all of them no. So from two tables if you write, it will be easy. So 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. So we can write the 3 also so that it is correct or not. See, 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. But see, what's the dividend? 89 is the dividend. Here 84 is here and here 129 is there. So what number we have to write? We have to write the before number. So what will come? 84. So 42 2s are 84. 42 2s are 84. So after 4, if you count up to 9, after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what's the answer? What's the remainder? 5. What's the remainder? 5. So this is quotient and this is remainder. So it's very easy. So don't forget to write like this. Understood? So answer what will come? Quotient 2 and remainder is 5. Understood, children? Okay, we'll see the third sum. Okay, children, we'll see the third sum. Third sum, 82 divided by 9. 82 divided by 29. 82 divided by 29. So what you have to do? The dividend is 82. The dividend is 82 and the divisor is 29. Okay, children. So what we have to do? We have to write the 29th multiplication tables. So how can we write? Easy method. 29 ones are 29. Don't forget. 29 ones are 29. So from the two tables you can write 29 twos are how much? 2 nines are 18. 2 nines are 18. 2 fours are 2 twos are 4. 4 plus 1 5. See, always you should not forget to add this number. Sometimes you are not adding, so it becomes wrong. Okay. Next 29 threes are 3 nines are how much, children? 3 nines are 27. 3 nines are 27. 3 twos are 6. 6 plus 2? 6 plus 2? 8. So what's the answer? 8. See, only 2 you can write because it's 82 only it's there. So in this, the dividend is 82. Can we write 87, children? No, you can't write. So what you have to write? The before number is what? 29 twos are 58. So 29 twos are 58. 29 twos are 58. Okay. So now what you have to do? We have to subtract. From 8, after 8, can you count up to 2, children? No. So what you have to do? You have to borrow from 8. This 2 will become 12 and this 8 will become 7. So after 8, you count up to 12, children. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what's the answer? 4. And after 5, you count up to 7. After 5, 6, 7, 2. So what's the remainder? 24. And this is quotient and this is remainder. So what's the answer will come? Quotient is equal to 2 and remainder is equal to 24. See, here still we didn't learn by keeping decimal point. Okay, children? See, if we go on add keeping decimal point means they didn't give in book. Hereafter only they will give. So no need. If the remainder is more number also, no need to worry. You can write like this. Understood, children? Okay. We'll see the fourth sum. Okay, children, we'll see the fourth sum. Fourth sum, 95 divided by 40. 95 divided by 40. Okay, so what's the dividend, children? 95. 95 is the dividend and 40 is the divisor. While writing itself, you have to say and write 95. The first number is dividend and the second one is divisor. So here what you have to write? You have to write the 40 table. 41s are 40. So from 2 we have to write 42s are. Easy, isn't it? 80. And 43s are. This also is 3 4s are 12. So what can you see here? 95 is given. Here 80 and 120 is there. It has been crossed. So what you have to write? The before number is 80, isn't it? So 42s are 80. 42s are 80. So 95 minus 80. 5 minus 0, 5. 9 minus 8, 1. So what's the remainder, children? This 15 is remainder and 2 is quotient. 2 is quotient. 40 divided by 2 is 80. See, easy method. See, 40 2s are 80, isn't it? 40 2s are 80 and if you add this 15, if you want to check what will come, 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 0, 5 and 8 plus 1, 9. See, the answer has been come. Correct, students? Can you find out? See, 42s are 80 and the remainder if you add means the answer, dividend has come here. So if you want to check, you can check. If you check means it will be very easy for you. Okay, children? We will move on to the fifth sum. Okay, children, answer, I forgot to write answer. Quotient is equal to 2 and remainder is equal to 15. Remainder is equal to 15. Okay, children, now we will move on to the fifth one. Okay, children, we will move on to the fifth sum. See, don't get confused. If you go on practicing in the rough note, it will be very easy. It's not, you should not read. You should not read. You have to go through. You have to do and practice in the rough note. Otherwise, it's very hard. Understood, children? Okay, we'll go to the fifth one. Fifth sum, 104 divided by 21. 104 divided by 21. So, what's the dividend here? 104 and the divisor is 2 1 21. So what you have to write? 21 ones are 21. So from the two tables you can write 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 21 into 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6, 21 into 4, 4 1 is 4, 4 2s are 8, 21 into 5, 5 1 is 5, 5 2s are 10. See, here what the answer is, what dividend number is 104, but here 105. But so can you put 105 here? No. So the before number is what? 84. So 21 4s are 84. 21 4s are 84. See, you have to write 84 like this. Here you should not write 84 like this. If you write 84, if you write 84 like this means it will be wrong. Understood, children? Always you have to start from the ones place. You have to start from the ones place. 4 here and 8 in the tens place. The hundreds place should be empty. The 100 place should be empty. So now you have to minus 104 and 84 from 104. So 4 minus 4, 0. And after 8 you count up to 10. After 8, 9, 10, 2. So what's the quotient? Quotient is 4 and the remainder is 20. So write the answer. Quotient is 4 and remainder is 20. Understood, children? Okay, we'll move on to the sixth sum. Okay, children, now we'll do the sixth sum. 345 divided by 42. 345 divided by 42. So what's the dividend here? 345 and the divisor is 42. So what you have to write? 42 ones are 42. So we can write from two tables. 42 twos are 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8. Next 42 into 3. 3 twos are 6, 3 fours are 12. So what's the answer? 126. Then 42 into 4. 4 twos are 8, 4 fours are 16. 42 into 5. 5 twos are 10 and 5 fours are 20. 20 plus 1, 21. 42 into 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 fours are 24. 24 plus 1, 25. Okay, children? And the next one, 42 multiply by 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 fours are 28, 29. See, it's going on. But you have to find out. So, you have to do that one. Okay? 42 into 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 fours are 32 plus 1, 33. So, what you can do? See, you have to write this one only. Because 42 8s are means what? 9s are means what's coming? 9 twos are 18. See, 37 is coming. But what's the dividend here? 3, 4, 5. So here 3, 7, 8. So you can't do. So the next sum, next number only you have to write. So 42 8s are 42 8s are 336. Okay, children. So now what you have to do? You have to subtract now. So can we subtract after 6? Can you count up to 5? No. So we have to borrow. So 5 will become 15 and this 4 will become 3. So after 6, if we count up to 15, what will come after 6? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So what? 9. 3 minus 3, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. So what's the remainder, children? 9. And what's the quotient? 8. Understood, children? So you have to write the answer. Quotient is equal to 8 and remainder is equal to 0. Understood, children? See, don't forget to write like this. If you write like this only, it will be easy for you. If you write like this, if you do the sums like this only, it will be very easy for you. If you don't write like this, you can't find out the answer. You can't find out the answer. Children, don't waste your time. You go on practicing in the rough note, children. If you go on practicing in the rough note, it will be very easy for you. Understood, children? This continuation I will be teaching in the next class. Understood, children? Okay. Write neatly in the class work note. Write neatly in the class work note. Draw line for the rough work. Draw line for the rough work. And you have to do one sum below another sum. Don't do two sums at a time. One sum and side the rough work. Okay, children? Okay, we'll meet in the next class. Thank you.